Now see what are the different kinds of blogs. As we have read, the topics and types of blogs available are limitless, and a cartoonist can have a blog of his sketches and comic strips. Painters, sculptors, photographers, and other visual artists can keep a blog to showcase their work. Someone who loves to travel may have a travel blog, and a home cook may have a blog of dishes they have made or places they have eaten. The options are limitless. So question arises now, what are the different types of blogs you can make? You can make blogs on various types of topics. You can make travel blogs, you can also make the blogs on cooking, you can also make the blogs on the places where famous food is served. Okay, even within topics there are different ways to present their material. Take the travel blogging as an example. See, for example, on one particular topic we are making a blog. In that also we can show the varieties. For example, you can have a travel blog. Those kind of bloggers don't just have a niche topic, means a singular topic they should not have. They should have an ultra niche topic. You can just make blogs on different spheres also. Like a travel blog on Mumbai is good, but how about a travel blog that focuses on the best places to eat in Mumbai? For example, we are a travel blogger. We can make the places of any place. We can make blogs on the places. We can also make the blogs on the famous places where famous food is served. So we can make the blogs on famous food also. So in one topic we can show the multiple spheres. Okay, and why not take it further? Travel blog to eat it best Konkani food in Mumbai. Okay, we can make blogs on the Konkani food in Mumbai also. So this is just an example. Different types of food we can show if we have a travel blog. The options are endless, though some blogs may fall under the same category. They may be presented differently. Some may prefer to write longer blog posts like stories. Some may favor listicles. Okay, sometimes we can put the stories on blogs. Sometimes we can write listicles also. Now what are listicles? Actually, listicles are basically articles. Underline, listicles are articles that are presented as a list. If any article is presented as a list, that is called listicle. Okay, so we may write listicles also. Some travel bloggers, for example, may love it, while others simply prefer to share photographs of their travel. So it's not necessary to make blogs in a particular way only. We can write blogs, or we can make the videos, or we can share the photographers on a particular topic. Okay, today blogging is immensely popular. Some seem to love reading personal stories on the topics they are interested in. Why is that? In some cases, it gives readers a sense of community. Though only the blogger is contributing to the blog, a reader can also leave a comment. So it's not necessary in blogging only blogger will function. Okay, there can be a contribution of reader also. What readers can do? They can leave their comment after seeing a blog. Okay, for example, you see a video on YouTube, you may leave the comment there. What do you think about the video? Okay, what do you think about the material they have shown to you? So similarly, after reading the blog, we can share our views. So there can be a discussion between different readers, or there can be a discussion between the blogger and the reader also. Okay, this often becomes a discussion with the blogger and other readers. It's always nice to discuss common interest, whether in person or online. Imagine you love Star Wars, but none of your friends do. However, you find a cool blog that discusses news about the upcoming movie and shares stories about the old one. Wouldn't you love to read that? I would give you that the chances to discuss the topic you love with other people who love it too. Okay, so through blogging we can get a chance to discuss our views with other if we have the same interest. Okay, so this way our interest can be increased. Some people need blogs that remind them of their own lives. It's good to know someone out there is going through the same things you experienced. Some others may read blogs because they haven't experienced what the blogger has. Not everyone can be an astronaut, but following an astronaut's blog might give you some insight into what it takes and the daily life on an astronaut looks like. Sometimes people follow a blog simply because they think the writer is funny or share sensible wisdom. Just like there are many types of blogs, there are different types of readers to follow them. See, sometimes we follow blogs and there is a reason behind it. Through blogs we can go through the experience of different people. Okay, for example, we are reading a blog of one particular person, what he has experienced, we can relate with that. If we have experienced the same, we can just connect with the person. Moreover, if we have not experienced a particular thing, we can learn new experiences also. For example, anybody is following astronaut blogs, okay, so he can see what kind of life they have, what kind of difficulties they face. So we can just get new experiences through blogging. Okay, since blogging has become a big, many company have started blogs along with their official website. These blogs are maintained by a person who is on the social media team or the company. Now what is social media? Social media includes website like Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest and Tumblr, where users can create and share content. They can provide an opportunity to interact with people near and far. Social media team manages a company's online presence. So what is the meaning of these lines? Sometimes companies can also have blogs separately along with their websites. This will increase the we can say popularity of the product. Okay, this way they can promote their product. For example, one company is just making software, so they can just have a separate blog channel, okay, where they can write blogs about their product. This way they can advertise their product, they can have more reader. So through social media like Facebook, Twitter and all, we can just create a good content for other and can promote our product also. Okay, it's also also a good way to create goodwill among customers. So what a company blog looks like, again it depends on the company. So if company blog will be there, how it will look, it depends on the company only. It could just cover the big events in a company's year, so it could be more detailed or personal look at the employees. Sometimes we can show the different activities of the company or the detail of employees, how they work. As is always the case in blogging, there aren't any strict guidelines to follow, so it's not necessary to follow strict ways to create a blog for a company. Okay, so there can be a personal blog, there can be a blog for the advertisements of the company, or a company can also have a separate blogs. Okay, they can manage separate blogs to advertise their products.